What are we opening?
Sword and Shield, 1 million of them.
So we were able to find some packs at the dollar store.
But I'll say that's about like 15 in like all of them. Like
There's more than 15 here, dude.
no, like when they're in like normal packs.
Yeah, baby. So the difference in these packs is we normally open, they have 10 cards. These ones only have 3. So we're just going to see if we can get any good cards out of these packs, and then we have a Champions pack
We got
working
this
as well.
off camera. I was in school. I'm like,
We did.
I'm like, holy crap! I was literally so excited because when I see them Champions packs, those things are very rare.
We split them in half, and we're going to open them both. Jess is going to open some, I'm going to open some. And we'll show you any pulls we get.
It's going to be hard to open.
Yeah, it's not any harder. Gotta show everyone. So, here's the difference. These are only 3 cards, and there's nothing guaranteed. So that's our first pack. They want the trap, Joseph. Where'd you put it? It's up here. Got it. Need some help? If there's a pool, it's typically the middle card on these, Joseph. Remember that? But there's nothing guaranteed. Nope. There's another card.
Egg loss.
Be careful. You're okay.
I just keep forgetting. Look what I found.
We love this song. Alright, my next pack and Joseph's next pack.
Oh, I just opened mine straight up.
Good job. Lumberry.
Does it give you a code card on this one?
What's that?
Does it give you a code card?
Nope, you don't get a code card. You just gotta hope. These are the dollar store packs. 3 cards per. You gotta show it on camera, not to me.
Oh.
So let's see far back. Alright, so far we've opened, this is our 5th pack, and so far we got a bunch of junk. To be honest, if we were able to get one decent pull out of all of these
This one was
cards,
already open.
oh, so let's see what it is. Got it?
Comes out of nowhere.
Look at the camera when you're doing it so people can see. You can see where it's at. There you go. You want it right there.
And I got an airborne.
Okay? Alright, here's the next one.
It's all open. What's happening?
The packs aren't made as well.
Oh my god, I got a mini version of a double.
There you go, show them.
Guys, I got a mini version of double. Wooloo.
Sabo.
I want to keep this Wooloo.
Show them, because eventually.
Like, bruh, how do we get this kind in like this kind of little pack?
Alright, here's the next little pack.
Here.
It's not holographic. You're good.
Oh.
We got a Blip Bug. Oh, we got our first reverse hollow. Alright.
Nice.
Got a holographic.
Did you open all these? Because I'm wondering how
No,
did they all open?
I'm not open them.
How do they all open? Big. Big. Oh, I got an
Energy.
Wait.
4 cards.
What?
You're getting some messed up packs, dude.
Huh? Huh? Wait, huh? Wait, what?
Alright.
What is this?
We're looking in.
What is
Alright, next pack.
I got two of the same one. Like, what is this?
An Aurora energy.
Like, bruh. Yeah. How did I get this much cards?
So guys, if everyone's just joining, here's what we're doing off camera. We have a bunch of packs that we got from Dollar Store, which are only 3 cards per pack. So we'll keep showing you guys as we go.
This one first, and then I'll show this.
Did you get something good?
It's okay.
Okay.
The last one's this.
You gotta look at the camera, dude. You look at the camera so you can see what you're showing.
I got a rabbit.
Alright, next pack.
I have some messed up packs.
Corbunny,
I have some messed up
Nickit,
packs.
and Great Ball.
Bro, these are some messed up packs I'm getting.
They are?
Yeah, did you see how much, these are made in 3, but did you see how much was in that pack?
Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, Rockadoo, Krabby.
Hit myself.
Be careful.
I got a rodent bite, also.
Alright, next one.
Look how much,
Napper,
look how much cards I
Scurruppy, and
already
a
have.
double. There's a double.
Wait, really? Look how much cards I opened. Oh,
Here, give me that.
it scared me.
Keep going.
After this one's already opened also. These are messed up packs. Some are open, some aren't. Bruh. Some are weak, some aren't.
I don't know where Nick is, Matt, to be honest. He said he wants to be a top fan, but
He's
I
not
don't
always
think he's
here.
making it.
Hey, you got a Snowball, whatever it's called.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
A reverse hollow. Alright, that's our second one.
Here we go.
Okay.
Is this one? Oh my God, what are these?
Energy retrieval.
Whoa.
Alright, next
They're
pack.
actually kind of cool.
Joltik, Lapras, and Dottler.
Here. Like red. Second holograph.
So far, it doesn't seem like the
Doggy
Dollar
doo-doo.
Store gives out too many good cards.
You mean doggy doo-doo? What do you think I'm getting? Hey guys, what do you think I might get out of this? Doggy doo or okay? Or something okay?
Doggy doo-doo?
Yes.
Alright, he wondering if he's going to get a decent card in this one. We got a Clobbopus. A Dreadnought, that's a decent card.
Decent.
What's next?
Oh, decent.
And Energy.
We should do just the energy, huh?
We don't know if the energies are coming in these though.
No.
Alright, Yamper,
I bet.
Scorpy, and Quillfish. So far we've opened about, I don't know, 12. Nothing yet. It's okay.
Funny. I have this half open and I just rip it.
We got a Wooloo, a Brookie, and a Lucky Egg.
I think I have the energy.
You do?
Yeah.
Rhyhorn, and an Energy.
That's a dark energy.
Were you a Pikachu on that one? Did
No.
you know you had one? I think you're fibbing.
I accidentally got the card and I see something black. I'm like, I think there's energy. I'm like, that has to be like a dark energy or something like that. I'm like,
Alright, let's see.
what? I think I'm gonna open it for you.
Are we going to get any good cards out of this, Jason? What do you think?
I don't know.
You think we're going to get any Vs or big cards?
I don't really know.
Alright, we got a Minccino, a Sobble, and an Evolution Incense. They are bringing, what are they called? Essential oils to Pokemon, I think.
All I see is a Mudbray playing with this. Like guys, why would he be playing with that?
He's trying to get the Pokeball. Mudbray, Claydol, and a Bisharp.
That's kind of cool.
Cool looking one, isn't it? Alright, see if we can get any good pulls. We got about 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 15, 16 packs left, and then we have a Champions Path box coming up next.
Can I open some Champions Path?
Uh-huh.
Dad, I can't get this one open. Like, should I just do the method I just...
Alright, next pack is Minchino, Vulpix, and Energy.
Dad, you took me a long way just from doing this to this.
I'll help you out.
You took me a long way just from doing this with my teeth to doing that with my fingers, like, and holding my Pokemon cards, like.
Yep, we're getting there.
You brought me a long way already.
Go ahead. Hoot Hoot.
Or
Reverse Hollow.
I did not know there's an energy. I swear. Why do I keep getting energy somehow?
You get a lot of energies. Alright, next pack. We got a Hoot Hoot again. A Score Bunny and a Dottler.
You see my fingers? You're making me do this with my fingers. I got another Mudbray.
We got a Rhyhorn, a Clobbopus, and an Energy. Hoot Hoot again. And a Citrus Berry?
Huh? What's that?
So far,
Doggy
we would say that the dollar store experiment is not a success. I would not go that route.
Did I go to Dollar Tree for these Pokemon cards?
Maybe. We still got a little bit of time. Alright, we got a Goldeen, a Roselia, and a Thwackney. You know?
I was about to say no. We got a mini of something.
What? That's a Dreadnought.
It looks like the big
Choodle, Rhyhorn, and Galarian Lanoon.
How am I gonna Lanoon in this? Like, because it's a decent, it's a good card, but not like good card.
Yeah. Alright, next one. We got a Cup of Tea. We got another Evolution Incense. That one's reversed though, and a Galvantula. Alright. We're almost through these, and then we're going to do one pack of Champions Path. Another Dreadnought reverse. There we go. And an Energy.
How do I keep getting energy?
You're the energy guy. You're bringing the energy. Alright, here's the next one. We got Silly Cobra, Blipbug, and Rotom Bike. Well, we got a couple more options to get a pull out of here. Are we going to get one, you think, or no?
I just saw something black. I just saw something black in the back.
Maybe, let's see. Let's see.
At least think I saw something black in the back.
Nope.
I at least saw something black in the back. I'm like, what is that? Oh, I think I thought it was like the
Ponyard,
I think I thought
Score Bunny,
it
and
was,
Great Ball.
I thought it was this. I thought it was this, just reflecting.
Alright, we both have 2 packs left. 2 more chances.
I got Jiggly.
Choodle, Blipbug, and Seeking.
I got something. What? Guys?
Reverse Choo-Choo?
I accidentally pulled this card. And wrote him, Mike.
Yeah.
Wrote him? Okay.
Last 2 packs. Here they are.
Put them together.
Come on, little mousetrap. Alright, here we go. Alright, see if we can get anything.
I'm mad that we both get a
If not, we'll say that we will not buy any more Dollar Store Pokemon cards.
Dollar Tree?
Dollar Tree. Salandit, Inteleon, and Pokekid. That's a cool card.
What's a Pokekid?
Look at that.
A Pokekid.
It's a little guy in a Pikachu costume. Oh, let's see. Might be last pack magic. Let's go! Let's go! We got one!
Yeah!
The last one!
Yes! It's a Dollar Tree pack!
We got a Victini.
In a Dollar Tree pack!
There we go.
Bro, we went through all these cards! And we got a V! So V, boy, V!
Look at this. That was all the bulk that came out of all those packs.
And then we just got one
card.
One good card.
Oh, be careful.
I am so sorry. That's one of our best. Those are one of our best 3 cards.
All right, so grab the Champions Pack box
Okay.
for me. Let me show them what we're opening.
A double.
Yep.
We opened a lot of doubles.
All right, so we are opening a double box.
Like, I just love how my voiceover is like, hey guys, we're opening a double.
All right, so
Champions Pack double.
this
And my
is.
first videos, I'm over here. I just hate when I.
We got 4 more packs tonight. It's all in the double.
I hate when I voiced over it, but now I'm just like talking for real. Like that, I don't want to waste my time just voice overing. Now I can just talk. So I literally don't have to voice over it. Like, it's so hard for me to voice over. I'm like, people have to write it down for me because how hard it is for me. Can I show them the big card?
we opened that Elite Trainer box last time, and we got nothing out of it with 10 packs. So hopefully we get something in these 4 packs. Yeah. That's the big card that comes in the pack.
Guys, read this. Look what he does.
Soft wool. All right, Joseph, which ones do you want to open? You pick your 2, I'll pick my 2. Well, you pick your 2, I'll open the other 2. Rough and Flower. All right.
We both have the same.
All right, we'll do
one.
your 2 first. I'll let you pull the last one. We'll do this so everyone can see
Hey,
on
you said
camera.
I can open one.
You're not in the right spot though for this. I'll sit it where you can do it, and you can pull the cards. Sit them in front of you. We want them to be able to see them all. Let's hide the code cards.
No cards yet.
All right.
I'm not gonna. Do I even
1,
know?
2, 3.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tell them it. You guys want to play Guess the Energy?
Too late on that one. Sharpedo. Pierce. Hatcham.
What
Scraggy.
if we get like a very
Carvana.
good card? Just
Galarian
out of the
Zigzagoon. Kuna.
Tell me what's the last card.
When you see the reverse hollow, the next one's a good one. So here is Suspicious Food Tin and a Marnie.
Hey, there's a Marnie right here.
Yeah, that Marnie's much more valuable though than the one we just got.
But it's also a hollow as that one is.
Uh-huh.
But that's a way better hollow.
Alright, here's your last pack.
Woo!
Let's see if you get lucky.
Like last pack's magic right there.
A little bit of last pack magic we need.
Wait, we forgot to put the mouse track on these. Oh yeah.
Done. There you go, put them on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go.
Did you see the good card?
Here, nope, I did not. Alright, here we go. This is the second pack.
Oh, look at all
This
these.
is Joseph's second pack
Guys,
that
you
he
want to
picked.
see how much, like, look how much we had to open.
Leave it there.
Look how much we had to open.
I see it all. Good.
Like, really.
Energy, Victini, Hyper Potion, Rotom Phone, Roly-Poly, Trubbish, Potion, Galarian Lanoon, Nickit, Arbok, and... Let's go! Let's go! Our set, can you go grab some sleeves and something to hold it? We just got our second shiny Charizard, guys. Our second one. We don't have the rainbow yet, but we have our second Charizard. Wow. He's gonna grab some sleeves and top loaders. Joseph, they're in the top. Thank you. Can you believe that?
No way! We just sent our Charizard to get graded, now we have another one to go get graded. We have another one to go get graded.
We do.
Now we're gonna get a lot of money from those two, right?
This one's centering is perfect.
Like, and
this one might be a 10. This one might go to Beckett. I'll show you guys.
That one
This
looks kind
centering
of
is
actually better.
perfect.
You see?
Yes.
Like how that, it looks more like
You
more
guys see how
holographic.
centered that is?
You see how much like strength there's. Wait.
You can't even talk, dude. You alright?
No.
You're not?
Look
What's
how much,
wrong, dude?
Look how much glitters on there. Like.
That's it. That's all of it. There we go. Holy crap. Holy crap, man. Can we get the rainbow in another pack? Can we pull the rainbow in the same stream?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go.
Let's see.
Let's go for it.
Let's see.
Our second one.
Holy crap.
Our second one. Dang, bruh.
1, 2.
I bet our neighbors, like Miss Shannon on them, are like, what's happening over there? We're over here opening one of the best Pokemon cards, bruh.
Go ahead.
Like, man.
Energy. Beatty. Sharpedo. Pokemon Center Lady.
Oh my, I we get
Carvana.
another one.
Galarian Zigzagoon.
It looks like this when we got that one.
Roly-Poly. Trubbish.
Over you, buddy?
Hatterene. And I'm a champ. Yeah,
I thought we were about to get another one of those because it looks so like you.
Alright, last pack.
Wait.
Go ahead and put it on the camera. We're going to try to get a little luck. A little more.
Ah!
Alright, here we go.
Another one! Another one!
Now we need the rainbow one, dude.
We just need a rainbow one. Like, it's not Guess Energy anymore. Like, because everyone's white on Champion Fest.
Yep. Alright, guys. Last pack before the Super Bowl. Wish us luck. Here we go.
Say, best card, best card, best card, Rainbow Rare, Charizard.
Here we go. Go ahead. Energy. Team Yelgrunt. Victini. Arbok. Sizzlipede. Purloin. Ekans. Potion. Vulpix. Hatterene. And
Got a hit.
hold on, there's another one.
Oh.
Stop! 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 Stop it!
Stop it!
You have to call it! Holy crap! Holy crap, man! Go grab a sleeve, Joseph. Look at this. Look at this. Hurry up, grab a sleeve. He ran out in the other room, everyone. Oh, that is insane. The pull rate on these are less than 1%. Less than 1%. And we just pulled 2 out of the same box. Come on. Here, gimme. Oh, no. No way, man.
No way we just did that. I hurt my knee for that. I hurt my knee.
What's wrong, dude?
I hurt my knee. You don't see what happened to me because I fell.
So this one, look, when I talk about centering, you guys can see on this one, this side right here is a little more than this side. When you look at this one, they're very even. So this one's probably got a chance for a PSA 10. This one's probably more like a PSA 9. But wow, guys. Those dollar store packs are worth it tonight. Our Champions Pack back.
Look what happened to me.
Oh my God. We might have to take Joseph to the hospital after tonight. So our other one is away at grading, and now we have 3. Now we have 3.
I'm too hypermanic, brother.
My Lord.
I'm too hypermanic.
Wow.
We pulled 2. Bruh.
And 4 packs. There's only 4 packs in that double box.
Like, bruh. And we pulled that too? How do we do that?
I'm excited too, dude. I'm excited too. You alright? Alright, stop. You're gonna have a heart attack. Alright, tell everyone to have a good night, and
have a good
who's
night,
gonna win the
everyone.
Super Bowl? Is it Tom Brady?
Tom Brady's pretty good.
Tom Brady's pretty good? I think so. So we rooting for Tom Brady?
I want to eat my chips after this.
We're gonna go have some Super Bowl food?
Yes.
Alright, what does everybody need to do?
Like and subscribe to Teaser Gaming. Oh my god!
Where at?
YouTube, Instagram, big override right now.
Yep, so he said subscribe to his YouTube. It's follow G3 Gaming. A link is in this in the details of this stream, as well as follow us on Instagram. Thanks, everyone.